welcome back. It is November 4th. Yes, November 4th. And today I want to clean out some manure from the duck's bed pack and make it into a pile in the garden so we can compost down and spread it out by spring. So I'll take you along with that. Alright, I got a full enough wheelbarrow here. This stuff is heavy and wet because ducks are messy, so stuff kind of stays wet. And I thought about leaving it there and just letting it compost, but I realized that it doesn't get any air when it's down there. It's not going to compost very well. As you can see, you can identify all the materials that are in there. There's grass clippings, pine shavings, straw, and leaves. So I'll take you over to the garden and start making a pile. Man, this is a heavy wheelbarrow. It's got to be at least 100 pounds. I think I'll just make the pile right here in the middle, so I can spread it out once it's finished composting. Take you off the tripod here. I think this stuff should break down quite nicely. It's got that anaerobic smell to it. So hopefully doing this, it'll break down. It's nice compost. It doesn't have to compost down all the way because it's just going to get spread on the garden and then it'll get tilled in the spring. So let's go get another load. Alright, I dumped another load on there. That's load number 2. And this is my second compost video this week. So I've been trying to clean out the animals and make some compost for spring rolls around. So might throw another partial wheelbarrow load on here, or that might be it. No, I'm gonna make the decision now. I think that's gonna be it. Hello everybody. Thanks for making it to this part of the video. I'll try to keep you updated with this pile of this compost pile. If you watched my last video, well, it wasn't my last video. If you watched my last compost video, which was cleaning out that goat manure and making that into a pile, I have done that once. I wasn't planning on making a video series on that, but I'll keep you updated with this pile in the garden of the duck manure. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for watching.